I am dead. Oh my god. What's up, DIY babes, and happy vlog! I am currently shooting new merch. Oh my gosh, it is the... What color do we even do this hoodie in first? Was it pink? No, oh wait, no, it was a t-shirt. It was a yellow t-shirt, and now it's a white hoodie, and this is holographic. Oh, it just looks metallic. Oh wait, oh, there, wait. Oh god. Okay, so you saw little glimmers of the holographic, and it says create more, also in holographic on the back. And I'm so excited. It's launching September, no wait, it's September now. October 2nd on a Wednesday, but we're shooting the photos now because I leave for Australia on Monday. Oh my gosh, and we're in the cutest room ever. Remy has actually shot here before. It's just a peer space, so essentially we're renting it out for a few hours to take some pics of the Forever 21 stationery, of new merch, for just like some IG pics, trying to get my socials game right. You guys know the drill, so enjoy this little photo shoot montage. Oh my god, I'm going to Australia tomorrow! This is officially the longest flight that I will have ever been on. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty anxious about it, but it's a red eye? I don't know if it still counts as a red eye if you leave at night and sleep, but go forward 2 days. I'm not really sure. Anyways, that's the plan for tomorrow. So we leave tomorrow night and then heading to Fiji after VidCon Australia. So the next 10 days is gonna be freaking action-packed, and I'm looking forward to a lot of it. I'm so excited to meet Australian babes. I have never been to Australia, it's my first time. So I want to like meet a kangaroo. I want to meet my Melbourne Australian babes, and I want to actually, I don't really know what else is in Melbourne. I'm not entirely sure even when this vlog is gonna go up because I will be in the air, I think, flying when this would be being edited. Anyways, we'll figure that out. But on a happier and less anxious note, I'm heading over to Joey and Daniel's house right now to go meet their husky. Oh my gosh, like how to cure your pre-flight anxiety is go do some puppy therapy with 7 husky puppies. Like that is absolutely the answer to this problem. So we're headed over right now to go play with some puppies, and I'm so excited. Like, I'm not gonna say that we're not getting a puppy, but we're not getting a puppy. But we're not getting a puppy. We're not. We're really not. We're not. I don't need another baby. I got one. I got my Mias. I've actually heard that bull terriers are pretty independent even when they do have other dogs, but we're just gonna go pet them and meet them and see how it goes. But we're not getting another puppy. We're not getting a puppy. We're not. Who is this little grizzly bear? Oh my goodness. Oh god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh my god.
Oh, Nugget, it's okay.
His little tongue. Oh my goodness, you look like a little bear. You look like a little bear. I know.
Okay.
I'll just sit in here and they'll just climb all over me, and it's literally puppy heaven.
Oh my god.
You're about to breastfeed.
Yeah, seriously, the new mama.
They literally think my fingers are like the mom's
little
nipples, so
nips.
they'll just,
Yeah.
like, suck them and like.
Oh my god.
They have little sharp teeth.
Look at these little babies.
Wow.
Oh, there's Purple.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. You look like Uncle Whoopi. And there's Mama herself. Did you make all these babies? Look at this girl's paws. I am dead. Oh my god. Oh my god.
She has a little blush on.
Oh my god, yeah, look at her cheeks.
So sweet. And her eyes are so blue. Are they blue on camera?
Oh my god, yeah, they definitely are. Also, girls, why you get your brow done?
She's the only girl. She's like, get me out of here.
And she's like, oh, these brothers. She's just... I die. Also, these little beans that just like haven't even seen the world yet.
They're so soft.
Like these little baby beans.
These nails though.
I know these nails though, girl. Take me home. Moose needs a sister. Oh my god, this is literally not real. Moose, do you want a brother? Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, he's got a mlem. That's a permanent mlem happening there. Oh god. Also, so sorry for like the 3 minutes of dog voice that you will be receiving in this vlog.
I'll find myself like filming and I'll I'll look at the time and be like, oh my god, it's been 5 minutes.
I know. Oh my god. And you're just like, my voice is 10 octaves higher too. Look at all these poppos. Oh my goodness. Oh, Red, you are making every viewer's dog go crazy right now. Oh my goodness. Hello, little bear. Oh my god, I can't.
Sometimes they just like crawl into your arms and you like are like, oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm in love.
I am the
can't get
chosen
rid
one.
of you. Yeah.
Look at your little socks. You got little socks. Oh my god. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding me.
They're
Look
all
at them.
gorgeous.
Yeah, literally, they're all so cute. Hi guys, so it is officially Australia Day. Honestly, Abish is nervous, and that's kind of all I have to say. I just got off like 4 hours of back-to-back calls, and I've been putting together another giveaway. So essentially, I have this like bucket of PR products because it is not possible to consume this much makeup and skincare and hair products and nail polish and everything. And I give so much to friends and family, but you guys know I like doing giveaways with some of the PR stuff that we get because I want it to go to a good home. And there is a Mia's lounging back here. I'm gonna miss Moose so much. I honestly think this might be the longest time we've ever been apart, and I'm kind of having withdrawals already, so there's that as well. But yeah, so basically I bought 4 really cute backpacks, and I'm gonna fill 4 of these backpacks up with stuff, and I guess we'll just do something similar to last time, like go leave me some butterfly emojis on my most recent Instagrams, and let's do this giveaway for 2 weeks, I think. So 2 weeks from when this goes up or the giveaway post goes up, but there'll be 4 winners this time because I've got 4 backpacks, and it's gonna be full of like makeup and stuff. And obviously I get foundations and concealers that are my color, so I'm gonna put those in if they fit anyways, and you can just gift them to friends or family or whatever of someone of that skin tone. Yes, I'm going to miss you so much. Are you going to miss me? Do nothing if you're going to miss me. Oh good, I'm going to miss you too. Oh, look at this tail. Look at this happy tail. Oh, I'm gonna miss you so much. What the heck? This is like 10 or 11 days. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, little bubba. Wow, you're straight lounging right now. The life of Moose. Obviously, a ton of the PR products are from influencer collabs with a ton of my friends. So if you see someone's specific product, it's not because I don't like them, or there's drama, or there's beef, or they're tea, or I hate the product. It's just that I literally cannot use every single product that comes here. So it's really not deeper than that, and I just wanted to go to a good home to someone who's gonna enjoy it because I cannot use 14 new eyeshadow palettes a day. So anyways, here's what we're working with right now. Okay, so first of all, here are the backpacks, and they're like way deeper than I thought they're gonna be. Like not deeper, like wider, so they're gonna fit a decent amount. I've got 4 of them, and also just like a super cute backpack in general. And then there's a ton of stuff from Tarte, some Olive and June nail polish, some NYX, some Sugar Rush, these super cute sunglasses, more Tarte, Murad skincare, Awake skincare, more Tarte, some Wet n Wild, some Benefits, some Pixi skincare, some Skin Fix. Ooh, this is the ColourPop Villains palette. It's so freaking cute. Some Bare Minerals, more Tarte, some lashes, more Tarte, and some Pixi stuff. And then I have a bunch of foundations and primers and stuff that are different colors, so still going through those right now. Oh my gosh, okay, just finished packing them up. They look so cute. Also, I definitely cannot attest to the quality of these backpacks. They were just on Amazon, but all the products inside are super exciting and super cute. I wish you could like kind of see what's in them. Like you can see there's like a cute little tassel earring in there at the front, but it's kind of like a surprise goodie bag, like way better than the goodie bags I freaking got at birthday parties when I was like 10. But yeah, I feel like your fairy YouTube mother packing fun lunches or something for school. I'll leave all the rules in the description box below, but yeah, just go leave me some like butterfly emojis, and it'll be open for 2 weeks. I'm in Australia! Oh my gosh, okay, so I realized that I look like an actual butt right now, but I just got off a 16-hour flight, which actually was honestly not bad at all. I logged a solid 9 hours. Like, I may have slept better last night on that plane than I do on an average night. So it was not bad at all. Didn't even finish a movie. Deleted 7,000 pictures off my phone, listened to some music. It was chilling. So just got here. We are in Melbourne, but everyone keeps saying it like Melbourne. And we have the cutest freaking view of some kind of river or something. We literally just got here. I don't know what day it is. I don't know what time zone I'm in. I do know that I'm on the same continent as Sarah Jane insane bets, which is like really exciting. I screenshotted our Find Friends and sent it to her and I was like, I'm kind of close to you, like not really, but like kind of. So I have no idea what the plan is today. I think there may be like a welcome dinner tonight or something, but I'm kind of just a little lost in life of like where I am, what meal I'm at, what I'm supposed to do right now. But I think things like don't even start till tomorrow. So got some free time today because it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I don't know, I'm so, my body is so confused. I feel pretty good. Great flight, longest flight I've ever done. Totally nailed it. Anxiety was great, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh my gosh, guys, look how freaking pretty this view is. Melbourne reminds me so much of like either a mini Toronto, but also kind of Vancouver, but also a little bit Chicago. Can't really decide, but so cute. Jeremy sighting 12:02. Didn't really vlog at all, but we went to this massive mall in Is that what you're gonna do for the whole time?
Vlog!
Okay! So we went to this massive mall in what was it, babe? Chadstone. Anyways, there's a few malls that were like super close to us, but the concierge of the hotel recommended we go to just like the good one if we try to shop. The great thing about Australia is that the American dollar here is bomb, and you also get your tax back on a lot of your purchases when you go to the airport to fly back to the States. So shopping is pretty bomb. Didn't buy anything too crazy. We did stop in at some stores that were a little bit expensive, but I didn't make like any like nutso purchases. But Cotton On is massive here. I totally forgot that they like started in Australia, I think. Maybe I'm making that fact up, maybe I'm not. I think they did though. Got a few things from Cotton On. So we're stopping in Fiji on the way home, so I got this really cute beach bag that's good to just like hold things when you go to the pool. I got a few basics, just these little tank tops in black and white. Some sticky boobies because these don't last forever as much as the packaging says they last forever. They do not. This really cute headband, and ooh, these sunglasses. Also, I posted these sunglasses on my story that were so cute from Gucci. They were really expensive, but they were so cute, but just like a little too blingy for everyday use, so I didn't end up buying them. But I got these ones. These are really cute, just like some little mini glasses, and then a few pieces of jewelry. Honestly, I just like felt like I was taking a really long time, so I started panicking and buying everything in sight. I don't know if that happens to you guys, but Jeremy was just sitting there looking like the really bored boyfriend. So I got this little tiered gold necklace and 2 sets of earrings because I want to take some cute pics in Fiji. I don't normally wear earrings, so realistically they'll just be in for the photo, but this is what they look like. So cute. Honestly, I look so much less like a butt now than I did coming off the airplane. And then I also got some slippers. Where did the slippers go? They're awesome! They're so pretty! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these. It's much colder here than I thought it was gonna be. We got off the plane and it was 3 degrees Celsius, which is like 40-ish, I think, in Fahrenheit. Either way, that's flipping cold, and I don't know if I brought enough warm stuff for these temperatures because it kind of hits that in the morning and the evening. So daytime, totally covered. Evening and morning, may have to buy an extra hoodie because I only brought 1 hoodie and like 1.5 jackets, the half being a cropped jacket. And then the big purchase that I made was from freaking Gucci. These are so cute. My mom was gonna kill me. Mom, if you feel like clicking away right now, I would encourage you to do so. They come in a separate bag for each sneaker. Got a really cute pair of sneakers. They're so cool. Honestly, I saw them and they had my size exactly, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's meant to be. Like in European sizes, I wear like either a 35 or a 36 depending on the brand, but they had 35.5, which is like my dream size, and they rarely ever have. And so I was like, oh crap, this is meant to be. This is what they look like. They're so cool. Like, we edgy. We'll just cover up Jipping with the shoe here. Bye. But they're like a little chunky, and I don't have a ton of chunky sneakers, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna love that they're like off-white, but they looked so bomb when I tried them on, and they're so cool, so edgy. They were honestly so reasonably priced for Gucci, and also it ended up being like only 0.69 of what the actual price was, so that's how I'm justifying that purchase to myself. So that's it for the ship and trip. We have an entire free day tomorrow, so I think tomorrow we are going to go down to De Grave Street and see some street art because apparently apparently Melbourne has a ton of street art. So I'm super excited for that. We're gonna get some snackos, some rooftop bars, patios, I guess is what's been recommended to me. So we're gonna do that tomorrow. And then actual VidCon starts on Friday. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys I'll see you guys on Sunday for a video. Kristen and I collabed finally. You guys have been asking for a collab with Kristen and I because we literally accidentally basically had like an entire month's worth of the same types of videos. So we ended up texting each other being like, yo, you wanna just like do this video together since we're probably gonna do it separately anyways. So that's coming this Sunday, and then I will see you guys the following Wednesday for a recap of Australia and VidCon and all that good stuff. Now I feel like my outro's almost up. So see you guys on Sunday, Wednesday, another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.